If you are wondering if we have VoLTE calls available on Google Pixel 11, then the answer is yes. This phone does indeed support VoLTE calls. However, not everyone or not in every case we have the option to enable or disable VoLTE calls. So in order to check if you do have an option that allows you to, or if you have the setting that allows you to toggle on or off VoLTE calls, you can just simply open settings on your phone and go to network and internet. Go to SIMs and then select the SIM that you use for which you want to check if you have VoLTE enabled or disabled, or if you actually have the option to do so, to turn it on or off. And then somewhere over here in this menu you should be able to find it. Unfortunately, in my case, I don't have the option that allows me to toggle on or off VoLTE calls, but there is another way to check if you use VoLTE or not. So we can go to the phone app and we can switch to the keypad and we can dial a specific code, which is *# *# 4636 #*#*. And then we will jump to this testing menu over here where we can go to phone information, and then you should be able to switch to data and network here at the bottom. And then you should be able to find VoLTE provisioned, and while we cannot actually turn it on or off, most likely cannot turn it on or off, we can actually see if it's enabled. So in my case it is enabled and I do indeed use VoLTE on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.